Storm's Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 for Verizon Prepaid. Currently it is out of stock, so that sucks. They will have it back in stock soon. So you guys will have five colors to choose from here, and they're all out of stock. So yeah. So the 128GB iPhone 13 is $799.99. The 256GB iPhone 13, $899.99. Then the 512GB iPhone 13 is $1099.99. No current checks, of course. So yeah. So this is the iPhone 13. We're looking at the pink version here. It kind of looks white on screen, but it is pink. So there you go. It looks like the iPhone 12 from last year, of course. So yeah, you guys got dual cameras on the back along with your camera flash on the front. You guys will have your notch with your front-facing camera earpiece. Right side of the phone has your power button. Left side of the phone has your volume key and your alert switch. This front and back of the phone there. There's your dual cameras again. I think it's ultra wide and wide angle cameras here on the iPhone 13, so pretty good. Front and back of the phone there. There's your 5 colors. You guys got pink, starlight, blue, product red, and midnight colors. They're all out of stock right now, so you know that sucks. So says there up to 17 hours of video playback, up to 13 hours of video playback each streamed, 55 hours of audio playback, dual 12 megapixel cameras on the back, get wide angle and ultra wide cameras, 2.53 inches in width, 5.18 inches in height there. Alright, so pretty much the same dimensions as the iPhone 13 mini. So yeah, so it says here iPhone 13, the most advanced dual camera system ever on iPhone, lightning fast A15 bionic chip, a big leap in battery life, durable designs with fast 5G, and a brighter Super Retina XDR display. Alright, super bright, super colorful, super sharp. A more vivid OLED display that's both easier to see in full sunlight and power efficient, but the durable design that's water and dust resistance. iPhone went to film school, so you don't have to. Automatically create beautiful depth effects and focus transitions in your videos. Bring a new level of storytelling to the scenes you shoot. Totally advanced cameras, super simply brilliant photos. A huge upgrade for better photos and videos, more light captured with the wide camera, sensor shift, optical image stabilization, and more detail in dark areas of your photos with the ultra wide camera. Raises the bar for battery life. A big boost in battery life you will notice every day. That means more time to watch, game, and do more of what you love, even on iPhone 13 mini. I don't know why it says mini here, but whatever. It's basically a copy and paste of what I said on the iPhone 13 mini video here. So it says speed boosting, camera elevating, power optimizing chip, A15 bionic chip, powers graphic intense games, and new camera features like cinematic mode and photographic styles, and it's more efficient, helping deliver longer battery life. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more, and smart data made automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. So that's good. So the specs on the iPhone 13, of course, it's a flagship phone. Pretty much copy and paste of the iPhone 13 mini, except for a bigger screen, basically. Usage time, 17 hours of video playback, 13 hours of video playback streamed, and 55 hours of audio playback. iOS 15 on board, so y'all guys will get iOS 15 pre-installed, so that's nice. You guys will get like 5 years of iOS updates, so that's pretty fucking insane. 3 storage options to choose from, of course: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes. Screen, Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches, all screen OLED, 2352 by 1170 pixel resolution at 460 ppi. World device works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you have. Depth 0.30 inches. Color Starlight, Midnight Blue, Pink, and Product Red. Height 5.18 inches. Digital network. Front camera is 12 megapixels. Cameras on the rear 12 megapixels. Both of them are 12 megapixels on the rear. That's a wide angle and ultra wide camera lens on the rear. Weight 4.97 ounces. So battery, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watt. Q wireless charging up to 75 watt. Width 2.53 inches. I think that because when I was doing the iPhone 13 mini video, I think they messed up on the screen. It says 6.1 inches on the iPhone 13 mini, but it's actually supposed to be 5.4 inches on the iPhone 13 mini. So, do keep it in mind. It's basically an iPhone 13. The iPhone 13 and 13 mini look alike, but the iPhone 13 has a bigger screen, obviously. So it's pretty much the same specs as it is on the iPhone 13 as it is on the iPhone 13 mini that Verizon has here. So it's kind of interesting, but whatever. If you guys need help with your iPhone 13, Verizon has you covered with that. So it says here, Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check it out if you guys need help with your phone. What comes in the box, guys, is nothing special, guys. Pretty much the standard stuff since last year's iPhone is that you guys get the iPhone 13 with iOS 15 pre-installed, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. And that is it. There is no charging brick in the box this year because Apple assumed that you guys have one. So there you have it. So with that being said, there is the iPhone 13 now available on Verizon Prepaid. It's currently out of stock right now, which sucks. No colors are available or nothing like that. They have 3 storage options here: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. So hopefully they'll get this back in stock soon. So stay tuned for that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.